or someone you love's health has been declining, maybe they've been falling a lot or they've been in and out of the hospital, it may be time to consider hospice care. I recently visited the newest inpatient facility at Serenity Hospice and Palliative Care. It's where you can experience a better quality of life when dealing with a life-limiting illness. This is a brand new facility in Sun City West. It's beautiful. Who can use hospice?
Anybody with a life-limiting illness. It could be cancer, it could be heart disease. You know, it's just per patient and what's going on with the patient, and you do need a physician's order to get hospice care.
Can you tell us the kind of services that patients will have?
Well, everybody thinks hospice is just at a facility when 98% of our care is at home. So a lot of patients get the nurses' aides coming out, physician, social workers, volunteers, chaplain. So there's so much benefit to the service.
Serenity Hospice and Palliative Care owner Ruth Siegel knows how important it is to put her patients' minds at ease. That's why she's opened this incredible new facility. Using builder D.L. Withers and Phoenix architecture, this inpatient facility is not only beautiful, but comfortable.
When they're coming in for end-of-life care or for any reason with hospice, you want to make sure that their mind is taken off what they're dealing with, and you want a serene environment, and this facility definitely does that.
Why should you check to make sure that the hospice that you're looking at has an inpatient facility?
Well, you want to make sure that they have a facility because it's important that the care is done. We do IVs here, we do hydration, and if you don't have a facility, you end up in a nursing home, which is not bad if that's what the needs are, but this is high tech. This is a physician watching everything. So there's 24-hour care here. So it's a whole different level, short term for pain and symptom management.
Ruth, a lot of people wonder how important it is to have a nonprofit or profit. Why does that matter?
Well, profit status does not matter. In hospice, we're all paid the same way. Medicare, it's a Medicare reimbursement or private insurance. And we take free patients as well. So Serenity is a for-profit with a nonprofit segment, and it's only the way we do taxes. There's nothing to do with care.
After Kelly Tucker's mom was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer, she says finding Serenity Hospice after a poor experience with another hospice made all the difference for her entire family.
I got a really more beautiful experience, in my opinion. A lot of people are afraid of hospice. We all knew it was, more towards end of life for my mom. However, seeing what I did and experiencing everything and for my family made all the difference. Even though a lot of hospice is in the home, if there is something that maybe, especially if it's a family taking care of their loved one, they take on a caregiver role. And sometimes, they're not a doctor, they're not a nurse, they don't understand everything. And if they get to a point where that person needs a higher level of care, the inpatient unit is really where they can feel comfortable sending their loved one and getting that round-the-clock care that they need and feeling comfortable.
When do you know it's time to call Serenity Hospice?
When there's frequent falls, when somebody is going back and forth to the hospital, you just start to see a lot of red flags. That's when it's time to call us, earlier versus later.
What have you found from the people who have used Serenity? What's the common thing that they say to you when they've had this experience?
Oh, they wish that they knew about us sooner. I think that is the most important fact, that they wish that they would have known about us. Sometimes they get better. They graduate because we get involved earlier and the symptoms are controlled. Sometimes they're on a lot of medications, so we watch the medications and sometimes we start taking them away and see, wow, that patient's doing much better.
For more information on Serenity Hospice and Palliative Care and their two new facilities, the one in Sun City West and their location in Phoenix, please go to their website at serenityhospiceaz.com or call the number on your screen.